Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. So in this video we are going to see about some of the stocks which we have been planning to trade on the next week. So for today we have selected 7 stocks. So out of 7 stocks, 4 stock is the breakout stocks which I have been selected, and the other 3 stocks are provided by our Telegram members. So they want to analyze those stocks. So the first stock is on Indian Energy Exchange. So before getting into this video, so follow us on our the Telegram channel as well as in the YouTube. The name of the channel is Happy Traders Zone. So now let us get into this video. So the first favorite stock of our Telegram members is the Indian Energy Exchange IEX. So if you see here, so in the IEX it is traveled in a triangle pattern. So we no need to go more much deep. So it's a kind of pattern which is a triangle pattern. So it is in a triangular pattern. So if you see here we have a breakdown, and after that the stock is in the downside, and we expect this stock to go till further down till this level 185 to 195. So here we have the level. So around this level we expect this stock to get a retest. So post that, if there is any upside move, we can make a long entry. Otherwise, if the stock has been coming here and a small fall, and again if there is a breakout in the above level, we can make a long entry at 280 range. So currently it is at 220 rupees. So this is one of the fundamentally good stocks. So we can expect our the long entry at this level, and if there is any one day close below this level, you may exit this trade. Day close below 185 will be our stop loss, and around 193 190 rupees would be our entry point. So now let us move on to this next stock. So first source solution FSL. Okay, so in the FSL, so the stock is tends to be in a downward side. Why? Because here it's forming a higher high and lower low. Sorry, higher low, lower high and higher low. Okay, so if you see here we have the patterns which I have been already drawn this pattern, and there is a rally from this bottom. So if you see here, so from bottom there is a rally, and currently it is in a retracement in the downside. So we expect the Fibonacci of around this level. This Fibonacci level has been already break down. So we expect the stock to go till further down till 133 130 range and 105 range. If in case, so the stock is currently at the support level, if there is a breakdown of this black line below 144 any day close, you can, if you are already in this trade, you can exit the trade. And in case if there is any breakout in the higher side, a strong candle close of above 153 would recommend us to make a long entry with the stop loss of this level. And our target would be, our first target would be this level one, which is 179, and the second target will be, so this resistance trend line. So now let us move on to the next stock. So HCL technology. So if we see HCL technology, so there is one minor small trend correction has been done. After that there is a minor rally, and again quick sudden fall has been done. Okay, if we see, so here we have one roadmap. So this roadmap is the roadmap for the HCL technology as a support side. So very longer duration, the stock has provided the, this roadmap has provided the support to this HCL technology stock, and finally it has provided the breakdown. So if you see here we have provided the stock to make a long entry, and we have been booked our profit around here. And further that there is a, so small liquidity grab. So the liquidity grab has been done. So the entire new members, I mean the retailers, have been made a long entry over here. So those long entry has been captured, and the stock has been gone fully down, around 25%, 20 to 25% has been down, and again there is a pullback, and it's just a retracement of this 20% move, and finally the stock tends to get rejection at this level and started to fall again. So if you are on a short side, you can expect the target of first target of around this level, 1140 range, and post that higher the chances it will come till this level, 1100. If you ask me personally, so where the stock is expected to take a support, the next support for this stock would be around this level or else this level, so 1000 rupees. So HCL Technology has potential to come down till 1000 rupees. Okay, and I'm just adding the Fibonacci retracement here. Okay, so it has been taken resistance from this level, so which is 618 level. It has been took the resistance from 618 level, and here also minor liquidity grab has been done. This is the our previous resistance. The previous resistance has been taken, but the fall has been continuous. So why? Because this zone, entire zone, is the so powerful resistance zone. So even though there is a breakout of this resistance, this powerful resistance zone act as the resistance. So now let us move on to the stock which we have been planning for our next week trade. So our first stock is on the JSW Energy. So before getting into this video, before getting into this stock, so I would like to say this click can be a investment pick. If you are the investor, you can directly make a long entry at this price, and if you are a swing trader, you can wait for the any 1 day retracement till this level or this level and make a long entry, and with the target of 366, and stop loss would be if any day close below this trend line, you can make a exit this trade. And for the investors, you can make a long entry directly, and yours target should have to be this level, 400 rupees would be your target. It will be around 18 to 20% would be your target, and your stop loss would be around 10 percentage. So now let us move on to the next stock, which is a BSE. So in the last week I have been provided this stock, and I have also informed in our telegram group. So if there is any 1 day candle close done above this level, so around 2300, we can make a long entry. That's what the feedback which I have been provided in the telegram channel for BSE. So this is the levels. If there is one resistance, if there is only one so good candle close has been done at this level, you can make a long entry, and the stop loss would be below this level. So below 2250 would be our stop loss, and our long entry should be 2350. If any 1 day candle close above 2350, you can make a long entry, and 100 rupees will be our stop loss, and we can expect the target of around, what would be our target. Okay, I'm just going with the Fibonacci now. So this would be your target, 2530 rupees. So 100 rupees stop loss we can keep, and 200 rupees can be our target for each stock. And also in between we have one more news. So BSE is about to give the stock bonus. If we having one stock, we will be getting the bonus of two stocks. So our one stock will be converted into three stock, and obviously the price will get reduced. If you are buying around 3000 rupees, means at the time of record date, if the price is at 3000, they will change it to 1000 rupees. Each stock will be 1000 rupees, and you will be converted into three stock instead of one stock. So now let us move on to the next stock, our third stock, which is HT Media. So this stock is also for the investment purpose, and also in the swing purpose, swing trade also we can take. So this candle is around 10%, 9.33%. This would be our entry point, and this candle low would be our stop loss. Now let me move on to the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, very clearly we can see. So there is a cup and handle formation has been done. not a typical cup and handle, but we can consider this as a cup and handle. Yeah, so this is what a cup and handle formation. And also we can say if there is a breakout means we can expect the target of till this level. It has potential to go till 64 rupees, and the investors can make the long entry now itself. So HT Media have it in your portfolio for the so long term investment. I'm just moving to the day time frame. Okay, in the day time frame, if you ask me personally, you can make a long entry at around 37 rupees, and if any one day candle close has been done below 32, you can exit the trade, or else you can keep the stop loss of 34. But it's not a very good stop loss, but our very good stop loss would be a day candle close below 32 rupees. Okay, so 38 rupees, 32 rupees, and our target should be around. So as a part of happy trader zone, you already know our target should be about minimum, very minimum 1.1 is to, sorry, 1 is to 1.5 would be our target, which means if you are keeping the stop loss of 10 rupees, so 15 rupees is what our target. So next one is on the Varun beverage, and for this stock I have been chosen. Why? Because even though in the 250 point of Nifty fall, there is a very good retracement and there is a good momentum in the stock of around 5%, and the stock is tends to um, play around 9 above 900 levels. And if we see here, I'm just removing this one. So the stock is at nearby the support area now. I'm just moving this line alone. Okay, so you just consider this hash line alone. Perfect. The stock is traveling in this line, this area, and here there is a high formation is going on, and here uh, here we having the buyers are very powerful. Why? Because they are making the prices to go high even though in the lower side, and here we don't have a sell, we having the constant sellers from this area only. If there is a breakout of this level, higher the chances the stock will tends to move till 1000 rupees as a first target and 1100 rupees as the second target. So that's all for this week video, guys. So the Nifty is in the downside and Bank Nifty is also in a downside. It's better you can make a long entry and book your targets of 1 is to 1. But as part of our the happy traders zone, you can also, I am just clicking the stocks very minutely. I'm picking the stocks so you can have the target of 1 point, sorry, 1 is to 1.5, guys. Yeah, so thank you, happy trading, have a nice week.